Variable spring travel stop installation instructions. ASC supplies all variable springs locked at the customer specified load or, where applicable, set at mid-range. The variable spring travel stops are utilized to lock the spring at the installed load for shipment and can be reused for locking the spring during maintenance or hydrostatic testing. A white marker is provided on the hanger to indicate the set cold spring deflection and load corresponding to the cold pipe position. A red marker may also be placed with a hot pipe position and load. This video covers the installation procedure of type A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Install the spring with all components as shown on the support drawing. Rods should be tight, but do not need to be fully loaded. Do not remove bands or travel stops. Verify sufficient thread is engaged at all threaded connections and lock nuts type at all locations except the variable spring coupling. Loosen any temporary supports and cut the bands securing the variable spring travel stops. The variable spring travel stops are T-shaped pieces of aluminum. In most cases, the lower stops can be removed as soon as the bands are removed. To remove the upper stop, tighten the spring coupling until the load is fully transferred and the upper stop is free to be removed. In the event the upper stop was free and the lower bound, loosen the coupling until the stop can be removed. Verify the bottom on the indicator aligns with cold or install position indicated by the white diamond and C engraving on the load scale. If the spring is not in the correct position, tighten or loosen the variable spring coupling to alter the position. Monitor the thread length in the sight hole as adjustments progress. Verify all lock nuts are tight. Installation is complete. Travel stops can be saved for future use. Optional chains are available to secure the stops to the housing. The Type F variable spring utilizes the same travel stops, but adjustment and unlocking is accomplished via the column. Sizes 0 through 15 have a hollow column with 4 holes. Sizes 16 and larger have a solid column with a hex engagement area. The column can be raised or lowered freely when travel stops are installed. Refer to the ASC catalog for recommended installation range. After the spring is in the installation location and the column is making contact with the supporting surface, the bands can be removed and travel stop removal process can begin. To turn the column, utilize a pipe wrench on sizes over 15 and a bar on smaller sizes. Turn the column until travel stops are free to be removed. Load adjustments are also performed by tightening or loosening the column. Installation is complete after stops are removed and position indicator is on desired load. Caution: attempting to remove travel stops without all load removed from the stops can result in property damage or personal injury. Please contact your ASC representative with any questions. For more information, visit our website asc-es.com or contact your local ASC Engineered Solutions representative for Anvil EPS products.